to HOTT, the Hybrid and Online Teacher Training course at Craven Community College. In this video tutorial, I will demonstrate how to provide unlimited time for a quiz for a particular student. So I'm going to begin by turning my editing on. I will search for my list of participants. And I can do that here in my people block, or I could come up here to my course management and look for participants. But I'm going to go here to the block, and I can see I have this student. It's actually me, but I have set it up as a student just for demonstration purposes. And so if I wanted to give this student unlimited time on a quiz, I could go to roles. I could select the pencil icon. I could drop down here and select quiz user with unlimited time, and this would give the student unlimited time on any quiz that they attempted in my course. I can also select a student to get additional days here in this area as well, and of course it's important that I save changes using this little save icon. So now this person has a role of a student, a quiz with unlimited time, and a student who gets additional days. So this quiz for all the other students was set up to allow 20 minutes. So as this student, when I come into the quiz and I attempt the quiz, I do not get the timer and I will have unlimited time to go ahead and take the quiz. So that's what that setting does when you set a student up for unlimited time. So that's it. Thank you for joining me for this hot topic of unlimited time for a quiz. See you next time.